A 3D printer gets way more valuable once you learn how to download and customize parts. The truth is, most downloadable parts are close to what you need, but close isn't good enough. Luckily, there are plenty of CAD programs, some completely free, that let you take a downloaded part and make it exactly right for your project. In this video, you'll see a sped up build of me customizing a box I found on Printables. It's similar to a heavy-duty Pelican case posted by user SEJ7278. I'm not sure if it's an original or a remix, but I love the way it clips together and snaps shut. The problem? It has holes for router bits I don't need, and it's too small for my purpose. I need a box to hold 4 half-inch end mills, each 6 inches long and half-inch diameter. I downloaded the STL files from Printables and brought them into Blender. To save time, I used my template with the Prusa build sheet already modeled. From there, I removed the floor for the router bits, designed a new insert to hold the end mills horizontally, and scaled the box to be bigger. Just for fun, I ran the model through Prusa Slicer, generated the G-code, and opened it in the Prusa G-code viewer. I exported the build plate as an OBJ file, brought it back into Blender, stripped the OBJ materials, and gave it a quick red plastic finish. If you want plastic to look right in Blender, add a little subsurface scattering. That's the secret to getting the realistic, slightly translucent look. And that's how I went from almost the right part to exactly what I needed.